Hi y'all. Alright, so I finished dyeing my wig. It's like this pinkish greenish blue. Y'all, I swear I use green and blue for everything, but I really like this. Now I'm gonna style it. Y'all, it's just like 6 o'clock and I'm just now like getting my life together. Like my skincare schedule is all off. But I'm finna blow dry it and style it, and then I'm gonna go to the store and get some more makeup brushes because none of my makeup brushes are washed. So I'm gonna go do that because I bought a few things from Target when I was there and a new palette that I wanted to use. And then I'm gonna take some pictures for my Instagram because I never take pictures for my Instagram, and I need to do that. And I'm gonna do that. Oh my god, I did not cut the lace off in the back. Why didn't I cut the lace off in the front? Okay, I did not do that today. Y'all, do I need to put the camera down more? Okay, this is better. So I'm just gonna style it, blow dry, you know, just flat iron and getting on my head. Maybe I add some crimps in it, you know. I might do that. Hold on, let me concentrate. It's just not the way, I don't know. Wait, is it? No. Okay, it's this one. Y'all. Okay, y'all started blow drying my hair, but then it felt nasty because I tried to bleach the knots and I didn't shampoo it. Like after I bleached it, I just rinsed it and it just got all through the hair and made it feel like nasty. So I just shampooed it, added some conditioner. Feels really nice, really soft. Y'all, whenever like, because of the way I dyed it, I guess, whenever I wash it, like none of the dye comes out when I wash it. Like it's clear. I never had that with any of my wigs, so I guess I'm gonna start adding conditioner because I feel like that makes the color just last so longer. But yeah, I'm gonna go back to blow drying it and styling it, and yeah.
Talking to Griffey like, man, it's now or never. Chasing big endeavors, facing stormy weather. I say okay, cause it just makes you better. Can it break me? Never. Hard cold is December. Bet I remember everything. Married to the game, I might go and get a wedding ring. Just know that I grew up seeing the light, and I grown up since see the top, and this one for my cousin's life. I'm still the same man with same team, big dreams, small town. When I'm there, I roll around. If you didn't know, you know it now. I never hear him sneak dissing on the low. I'ma come around and just shut it down. Where I'm from, they love me now. Where I'm from, they love me now. Oh man, all about the walks. What about the talks? You love me or not? I come for the spot. Scratch all that. Focus on the top. Got a town no lot. I told you this forever rock. Forever. Yeah. It only makes you better. Yeah. Makes you better. And there ain't no looking back. All the pain up on these tracks. But it only makes you better. It only makes you better. This generation, we say love you to keep somebody. But if you love yourself, then you won't need somebody. So kid, just be yourself. Don't try to be somebody. Don't need nobody. Did this all I own. We seem alright, bitch. For the extra, I'ma keep it rolling. Not really boasting. They know that I'm chosen. Ain't worried about no haters or all that. I tell them to fall back. She home and no call back. Yeah. Can't wait to see their face when we pop out. I'm stressed, man, they got my friends boxed up. I heard they grind, but they not us. Shit fuego like Lego when I'm trying to keep my block up. Yeah. I spend my life eating up a dough and throwing my boys in the bucket though. I get it all, no bluffing, bro. The team seeing bills like Buffalo. I want this shit forever. I take the good with the bad. So it only makes you better. Forever. Yeah.
Hey y'all, so this is like part 2 of the video. I'm gonna make this part 2 because the first part was just hella long and I don't want y'all to sit there watching a 50-minute video, like, no. So this is part 2. I'm gonna like style it. I don't know if I should crimp it or do like some curls. I might crimp it, but yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup. I tried to do my eyebrows by myself earlier. This one looks good. This one just doesn't want to cooperate. Usually this one doesn't want to cooperate, but yeah, I'm gonna do that. I went to the store and I got this beauty blender for e.l.f. Y'all, this is so soft. I thought it was gonna be hard, but this like is so soft. It looks like a cake. And then I got like 4 makeup brushes because y'all, my makeup brushes are dirty and I don't feel like washing them and they're not gonna dry in time anyway. So I just got me a little concealer brush that I use to like apply the eyelid shade, and a blending brush just to blend out the transition colors and stuff. A foundation brush to apply my, you know, foundation and concealer. And then I got this fluffy faceless brush. What is this? Yeah, face brush just to apply my bronzer, powder, all of that. And the beauty blender is going to be doing most of the work. And then I got this eyebrow pencil. Y'all, I like using an eyebrow pencil because I feel like it creates the hairs better and I can get like a more precise brow without having to use so much concealer to clean it up, if you know what I mean. And then I got some mascara because my mother took my mascara and I don't have any. I might give this one to her because, to be honest, I don't even wear mascara like that. Excuse me. And then y'all bought this Wonderlust palette from Target. It was like $9.99. Look at all these nice colors. I saw this the last time I went in there, and then I saw it this time. I was like, let me just go ahead and get it because I've been eyeing it like every time I go in there. And then I got some lashes. Yeah, I got these lashes from the Jasmine Brown collection. Y'all, these are my favorite drugstore lashes. Like these are like my favorite like dramatic drugstore lashes. If I go to a drugstore, I get these. And then y'all, got this lipstick from Ombre. I don't know why I picked this up. It's not even pink. It's like just straight glitter. Like it's not even, oh, it is pink. All right, pink a little bit without it being in the light. But yeah, I'm gonna try and use this. Well, I guess, I don't know, I was thinking about using it on my eyelid, but it looks stupid now. I'm gonna use this on my lips, just dab it a little bit, put some gloss on it. But yeah, let's get started. Let's start with my eyebrows. Y'all, this is the Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Pencil in deep brown. But yeah, deep brown. Use this. Y'all already know I'm gonna make a Revolution Concealer in C14. The one to the left looks so skinny. I done put any moisturizer or anything on my face, but I'm probably not. I'm just gonna put on my primer. My Black Radiance True Complexion Shine Primer that I always use, and then I will forever use until it runs out. I'm gonna try something different today. I'm gonna smack like a whole bunch of powder on my face before I apply my foundation, or while I'm doing my eyeshadow. That might work better. But you guys already know what this concealer is. It says just a Ruby Kisses concealer. Oh, in the shade Porcelain. I don't think I talked about my hair too much in the part 1 of the video, but I got this hair from Arabella. I got this from Arabella Hair Company. It came with 2 stocking caps. I'm using the other one right now. And these tweezers and a butterfly clip. I wish I would have put like one more in there. This is cute. Just cute. But yeah. And this is a 12-inch 613 wig. And y'all, I like it. I was gonna like cut it a little shorter. I still might do that, like, I don't know, just to do a little bob. I might cut it, but right now I'm just gonna rock it like this and see how I like it and put some curls in it and stuff. This is my first time really customizing it. Like, I plucked the lace. I even cut the lace on the side so I could do my little sideburns and so it could fit over my ear. I really like it. Well, let that dry. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the powder all over my face. Y'all, I think I got this from like Marshall's, TJ Maxx. No, I think I got it from TJ Maxx. Y'all, I'm actually gonna set my eyelids because, like I said, my face just gets so oily with some powder. I think for the color, first color, I'm gonna add Statement, which is this kind of orangey, like brown color.
Show me all the places I've never known, and we'll chase.
I might add like this kind of shimmery green. Yeah, I'm gonna add it.
And we'll fly. Oh, we'll fly.
I'm debating on whether I should add Enigma, yeah, which is this blue right here, or if I should add Splash. Decisions. So I'm gonna add a little splash under it.
Yeah, we'll fly.
But let me cut the crease using that same color I put on my lid. Oh yeah, that looks pretty. I feel like everybody says that like once they just, I don't know, when the look starts coming more together.
1 hour later. Two hours later.
It looks ugly. Okay, this is good enough. Now I'm gonna take, it's called Tranquil, which is this peachy color right here. It looks white on the thing, but it's really like a nude type of peach color. Just to set the concealer. Now this gravity color looks so pretty. I'm gonna add that color. Now I just want to grow a bit of gravity and love story in my eyelid. Now I'm gonna take that other smaller brush I was using, and I'm gonna add a little bit of stormy and then a little bit of serious, and I'm gonna use it to like cut it more, if you know what I mean. Now take that same brush I used to blend those colors out, take a little bit of Tranquil.
Free, bound only by frozen memories.
A little bit of Enigma, and a little bit of Retro. I'm gonna add some eyeliner, my Essence liner. My Essence waterproof eyeliner. Y'all, I like never do eyeliner, but we're just gonna do it today because every time I do it I mess it up. But yeah. Okay, so I'm taking Nimbus in this color and adding it in the inner tear duct. Cute. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Alright, y'all, my eyes are all done. Now we're gonna start the face makeup. I'm gonna use my foundation today, my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Y'all, this is the dewy one, but we're just using it for this video. So I'm gonna take this and my foundation brush. And I'm gonna add some concealer in the shade Bond by LA Progress concealer. Just put it under my eyes. To kill two birds with one stone, I'm gonna go ahead and add my contour too.
Never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right.
I'm gonna add a little bit of Enigma and Retro, the purple and the dark blue. for that.
That it feels right.
Then I'm gonna take a little bit of Hypnotic and Splash and blend it out.
So right, so right, so right. I'm just going.
My next mattifying sprayer. Ooh. And take a little bit of this highlighter jelly. Put it on my cheek.
Gonna do with all of that, ain't gotta say a word. I know what's up, you can have it all. Watch me rip it off. I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella loved. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart, yeah. I won't stop charging me, go and come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. It feels right.
Y'all, I'm gonna come back once my hair is finished crimping so I can add my eyelashes, do the final touches to my edges. And yeah, be right back, you guys. Alright, y'all. Oh, my voice. Y'all, just got done crimping my hair. It looks so big. Like, why does it look so big? If it'll come out the tube. This is what this is? Oh, Cafe Nix. I think this is the eye pencil, but I use it for my lips. Oh well. I'm gonna add a little bit of this by Maybelline. This is, I don't even know. This is Rosetta Liquido. I'm gonna add a little bit of the Ombre. Y'all, was getting so dark in my room. I had to turn on the light. But here's the finished look. And you switch the camera. Here's the finished look, you guys. I just crimped my hair a little bit. You guys, buy your Arabella hair. This hair is so soft. This video is not sponsored, but I just like it. And yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.